asia mpani Kofi Oduro jini fo biatwa wotumi tiatia mu
so for na twesan
mu di so for na mo hene mo ba ma ba kan Kristo menko in person say wo mo na meta wo mo me gina mu se nyamedifo akoma Kristo
na sabi nyame no wo se bia edenim guase e bre nyame asafo na
edenim guase ya bre nyame asafo prophetic ministry no ma menka se kencho e ka ba ko a e ka ye nyina e ka ba ko
abuzo for mama nyina makwa ba de Ghana and TV so say the munyam ne from Mr. President but one so be like video no be subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications and the next time videos of this nature bar also Mr. Betty make be no so watch your comment section e pa cho you right friend Kofi Oduro prophet Kofi Oduro na e ka prophet Kofi Oduro dia the nipa be na dim ne me pa say but I can't see I uti no so be free ba but other side I want one Kofi nim ne say ni nua nchen pa ni Julius Debra ayo now so Kofi bi so say Kofi Oduro ye odi fo ba akwa na se nyame nipa ba akwa aside se nyame nsa wono so no se bibi etichima o man ni mo taking so personal and address the issue in the here run another Kofi Oduro 8 years of criticizing is me kai so kan once and papable baby dia me kai e bia me hu so me acknowledge but so far as me wa de me hu nyina de me hu so kai run another Kofi Oduro once and pada na nna Kofi bi raise concern is because ni any Julius Debra in affiliation NDC but in this situation I would want us to address Kofi Oduro as a human, not as a man of God. For him being a citizen and him being a human, it's normal for him to have his own ideologies and his own beliefs. It is an ideology in any belief in the NDC and it's fine. But there is one thing about Putrama Ghana for United who necessarily didn't call your mind anymore. He is made it look like he will address it. Kofi Oduro. Sankeye ran another Kofi Oduro and a pamon for over 15,000. So mon fi adwuma no mukotene fi no monda kuma hira kababa bidina temo asori dem hira Kofi Oduro sankaye ran another person and impo se light edum sabria be sin na Kofi nyanka ne endemo kasabe ka obetutu bi amane no hira ye wa wu nua Julius Debra ne letterhead so any dey pamo nkofo over 15,000 as last year this year is over 20,000 from why ya pamo mu nyina makotene fi hira Ghana for some months say o kasa now say Christianity na ye no ye na nya sorry dem nko an we nyina so ka ho bi ti ura say de amamo bi nko ye otimi yi ye muka e ma amamo no ye hima ko fotuti amamo sana ke ye say can this for ya na sanya ka be yi maka the kind of respect as ura o kan ura na mama asema o de ma no nye na de ma na na da bi you went ahead to use some words and ura na mahama Iwa nanada Kofi wada ojina home feel okay na ai mahama ne woso
Kofi Oduro is a hypocrite. Kofi Oduro onya sofo. Kofi Oduro nya nokorefo. Kofi Oduro interest eye ade ba akope. Ade anu opeso we nyina ye change of government because Julius Debra what prophesy my MPP. Say MPP be wini, MPP en wini. Eti no de omo ye enkwasiafo asofo enkwasiafo adifo. You see the hypocrisy of Kofi Oduro. It is high time so Kofi Oduro will be unraveled. He needs to be shown for what he is. You see, Kofi Oduro ye Julius Debra enua. Tienye. Osha asi anu okeke mu tie no di ura eye politics mu ni ade nyina no. Some of us told you guys that our personal interest, nothing short of personal interest, say ni nuanom be wini na eno no wanyenya nya ho contract ni ade. Not because he actually believes that Akufo-Addo aban ni nyana Jomama was the alternative. Eti Kofi Oduro ni interest nyina ne say Julius Debra wo ye chief of staff eye Kofi Oduro ni nua. Na we make Julius Debra my former boss chief of staff. Yes ye miano papa minim boni a waye. Minim boni a waye ntia ye miano ni ade. Eti wa affairs no ye say was so touch na nko de call ni ade na all of a sudden adwom foi. Yes say Ewura John Mahama ni interest has shifted every Julius Debra succeeding him eko atofo sen ne ho nkro ne ba ne enti ese health work ne ade nyina wagyayo na se saa ne tie dia Julius Debra already 48 laws of power or say do not outshine your master. So I think at some point you were becoming too domineering within the space, na overshadow John Mahama. And then the best bufuma ebia waye de waye no. But you draw ni bibi papa bia boy wo national discourse mu. The award can be any personal interest. There is nothing wrong. Ye nyina wa ha wo bia wo personal interest. And nothing any kwan say oko hide behind the pulpit, pretending to be discussing national issues devoid of interest. Over the period, I have always, from the days of Happy FM to XYZ to Angel, I have always said that I am NPP. I will be NPP. Nothing will change and nothing has changed. Except that whether a NPP or a NDCU, when I need to speak truth to power, I will look in your face and say it as it is, without fear, without favor. And they almost said to me, no more cancer. Seka de chia kebie tia na Dr. Mamadou. It's okay. Say me catch Dr. Mamadou ba omiano. Mujitu mudia. It means the same honesty, the same degree of honesty na me dey can be etia eyejo mama aban. So the American and running it does not negate the American in it. My no ne toda na say the pretty. But let's keep on. So Kofi Oduro clearly is a concern issue, as said by Ay3ka. Kofi Oduro enka nokore. Kofi Oduro nye nyame nipa. Nyame bia mfrɛ no. Nyame mfrɛ no. Ye nyina ye discuss national issues. Kofi Oduro clearly is discussing national issues. Onya politics obeye and wako hide behind the pulpit and walk kem netie. Yes, muntie but or a politician. Period.
No kradie. Miti Ay3ka. Me duru ba bia Reverend Osu Bempa menene nya adwene. But ye nya twempa de enipa owo ho ayi nkankasie eye Kofi Oduro. Se obi ye nya atwema. Oni class me se obi ye hypocrite. Ye se obi ye sycophant. O ye nya atwem. Onya se no pimpini sina. O wonya pimpins no say obi kan tre say menyi ni say ne yire dress papa bia so obi kan tre ne say pimpins ya twama ana onim sa obi kan tre na onya se no pimpins ni gina na sori mananima o wonya nsa te ne bia wo kroma menim so obi kan tre ne say pimpins ya twam pimpins ba nyen ho ye hu pimprince no afiri sister no mko enti pimprince da bia pimprince ya wapampama o kasa ode chem so no eni nya atwem sem kanko na ode ti kroma asem owusu be pakaye nokre ye ti kroma o maimo ha atofufuo binum se nkoma Reverend ayi Kofi Oduro timi gina na soridam no wadidi o matem atofufuo bebre na wagina na soridam adi o matem all because o mashem kom banano dia medene two family o kwashe kom so obi ba we ni a epa agyi no otwa ne ho defend no na yire ya madamfo ono aye madamfo enti Ghana fo momfa nche saa ne ba no wadi kana didi atofofo binu matem a o ma hye nkom se wo ye sofo na hye politics hu nkom a wonim nyansa ono ne kae Kofi Oduro ne kae no aye ni tise kutaye akurasi kutaye o jina no natural demo no dise asofo omo hye omo ma political nkomhye no wo munim nyansa na nyame nyihwe nkire omo ekoye ba ye ne de osesa asofo ne ye nadamfo enti ma obi ani natem ba no adidi asofofo atem se alentra ye sofo a political nkom eduru we ne dia ekoti awo because ba bia na o ye campaign kono etifa so ana ne de ne so tefa so nti na say odi use platform e di defend no nti ukwa akoye damage control ana momfa nche na nya ono kwa na ache obi anka se obi ko crucify obi yetina krofie ha de wan me nimba bi omukoye meeting na me nim emma me de betu dwa me nim sika pie mu me nim nipa ode sa asofo no koy me nim sofo panyina ode sa asofo no koto asem mu eka se kwosem ko no me nim sika pie mu me beka ne nyina wa ha etinam nim se hu ni kutreyam enso wan se koye ba ye wadam funti wo ba be defende ba no adi kana di atofofo bi no matem so mo she political year political prophecy for no nyina ne prediction mo yo munim nyansa eno na she sofu Reverend Usu Bempa bufu a Sunday no obeyi na no say wo ye hypocrite wo ye nyatwem wo ye sycophant Danya twem no na me no me dwada frifie no makotena we asordam no watwem pimpinis o kanya asem ohu asem o TikTok wa no de akogira no odi atem na okọ ohu video wa TikTok wa Sunday no eno na ye no preaching en kwaji atem bia ni asordam ho no wadwara to ka afri ayi eya o moto atade na o munim ba bia o mo de makode sa asordam we no masordam no mo de akwa oni nyamesem bia o ka kire obia no okenkan Bible wo na sordam eno an say oba ya ofure ye so mic mu a kwase akeka throughout
mene ba ko kasa wo asaman mu honom baabi atense ne dire de be o se kire se sika o de beto ne gas asa ne light bill kuntimi ntua ne dan cancel aso living good month in payment my
yes enti eba ne sa omuso strategize ene se bema be pena or be pinin tem na wa parking ni ama akotena bema ni nchen
yeah
so that rent there on chebi prepaid on chebi light bill kind of saying water bill on chebi
yeah
and but the person is not happy next nino she's not happy with the fact say we got training 3 years 4 years after start training ni nano okay usambe rotation 1 year now bresa na amount employment after now be on hook up before being able to eat
yeah
right
yeah.
But that who cause am neti uye MP now ube jina next ni bi nim say Ghana is better off sesia one share na next ni no akobo na se na ahwewa so right now you move away from nurses da unim say check cocoa farmers na cocoa farmers muye campaign am catch cocoa farmers ne say akufaro ne timodin akufaro
na the voice my member otukuno I catch on say I think say 2580 no so change 3600 no
yeah right? Say NDC mathematics what him say asema otukuno kai no mathematically correct
yeah
but the only way correct is say the minus bebe nim when you say when you are going to the negatives it is assumed say minus 2500 higher than minus 3600 now when you say NDC 40 will be left and see instead oko bush ni mu and see oko bush ni mu nyina no na adwene nyina say left nyama aka na okoka wo but on him say we are talking about the positive side of the plane. From zero there, you will reach 2,500 before reaching 3,600, which means that 3,600 is greater than 2,500.
Yeah.
Now, ultimately, shall be to say, Otokono no be catch say 2,500 bigger than 3,600. Then you must question his PhD. Otokono also a PhD holder. Now, me postgraduate meaning say. It's not a one-day wonder to get a PhD. A brave woman when easy. A good for good. They be am sorry biano. Last time he draw me to say, I'm learning about depression. Okay, depression. My project work around depression. Okay, my thesis no. Now, as the more I am working on that topic, the more depressing myself I'm become. The more depressed I'm becoming.